Look at John 15. Greater love has no one than this, that he laid down his life for his friends. The measure of true love is not how good it feels. The measure of true love is how much it gives. How much it gives. You know, we're coming up on Valentine's Day, and all kinds of embellishments and accretions have been added on to the story of Valentine. But Valentine is actually an example of true love, as I've been setting it forth here. Let me just read you something. Valentine was persecuted as a Christian by Emperor Claudius II. Claudius was impressed by Valentine and had a discussion with him, attempting to get him to convert to Roman paganism in order to save his life. Valentine refused and tried to convert Claudius to Christianity instead. Because of this, he was beaten with a club and stoned. And when that didn't finish him off, he was beheaded outside the Flaminian Gate in the 3rd century, 269. Before his execution, he is reported to have performed a miracle by healing the blind daughter of his jailer, which isn't the point. You see, the story isn't about romantic love at all. It's about commitment to Christ, even at the expense of his life. He was going to love Jesus, it cost him his life. He was going to give, even to the point of death. That's